in this particular last trip, we were gone for 7 weeks and went all the way around the world. It was crazy. And so typically I'm gone for 2 weeks and I'll come back, or maybe 3 weeks. And that'll involve flying out to Korea. It takes a day and a half, 2 days to get out there. We'll do prep days, try the case, and fly back. That's typically the battle rhythm that we have. But for this case, for these sets of trials, they just were all the way around the world. And the way they lined up, we started the case at Fort Polk, Louisiana, and we did a trial out there. Nothing special really about Fort Polk. It was a great case. It was an assault, an aggravated assault. We had a full acquittal on it based on self-defense. It was a fantastic result. So it was really a great way to warm up, and this global trip we did to start off in representing a great client in a pretty easy location to get to, which is the middle of nowhere, Louisiana. We flew out there, did the trial, left Louisiana, and got on a flight immediately out to Okinawa. And so getting to Okinawa is wild, because you have to go from, we're in Tampa, you fly there to Newark, that was New York. From there, it's another 15 hours to Tokyo. You land in Tokyo, and then you've got 3 hours down to Okinawa. And then from there, you've got another hour cab ride up to Chatton or near the base. So we had 2 trials scheduled in Okinawa. They were back-to-back cases. And so that we knew that was going to put us in Okinawa for about a month. And so it's really settling in and getting everything ready and just reintegrating into that time zone and into Okinawa. So Ben and I were literally out there for a month. One was a sexual assault trial. The other trial was wild. It was sexual assault, rape, kidnapping times 2, I think 18 charges of domestic violence, strangulation. I mean, the charge sheet was so big, it could be bound into a book just about. It was one of those cases where the evidence just kind of looks overwhelming at first, but once you peel it apart and try the case, you realize that these are winnable cases. If you're under investigation under the UCMJ, stop talking to all of your friends about it and start talking to a lawyer about it. You can call me at 813-669-3500 or look us up at BileckiLawGroup.com.